ADC is Northern Consultative Group of the African Pacific. So it's a meeting of our region, Northern region, the north of Nigeria, to discuss the situation in the north, especially the issue of insecurity, the issue of how we can strengthen unity in the north. There are similar meetings in the south. There are similar meetings for the southeast, all coalition under the so this particular meeting today is for the north of Nigeria. And like I said, it's for the purpose of getting briefings from all the states to know what the issues are, what the challenges are, and the progress we are making in terms of building this coalition. Like I said, I mean, the original consultations, when you have the Southeast Governors, if you have the Southeast Governors Forum, it doesn't mean that they are not governors of Nigeria. If you have Southwest Governors Forum, it doesn't mean that they are not governors of Nigeria. So if you have Northern Consultative Group within the ADC, there is nothing wrong with that. Just like you have the Southern Consultative Group within the same party, or a Southeast Consultative Group or Southwest, you can leave this place and have Northeast Consultative Group. So there is nothing wrong with it.
There's this prediction that ADC, the coalition, will scatter within 6 months. How will you react to this?
Well, we are counting. It's how many months now? How many months have we spent? Yeah, okay. You know, I mean, when we started, they said it's dead on arrival, right? Now they have given us 6 months lifespan. After 6 months, they will extend it. Because the coalition is a coalition of Nigerians. It's a coalition that represents the desired interest of Nigerians to be free from the current crisis of existence that they are facing. Every Nigerian that is hungry knows that he doesn't want this to continue. Every Nigerian that is finding it difficult to pay his children's school fees, this salary has been reduced to just a piece of paper, knows that he needs an alternative. And the only alternative today is the ADC. So if they continue to say that, let them continue to wish that this will collapse, but I can assure you, the leadership of the ADC are very clear about the challenges that we are faced with. We are very clear about the trouble that Nigerians are putting us. Every single day we receive message from across this country saying that you people should please ensure that this succeeds because it's our only hope. So they can continue to wish as much as they want. They can continue to predict as much as they want. But for us, we are very clear about where we are going and where we want to take it.
What are you doing to have some serving governors in your fold?
We don't need to particularly target any serving governor. We know that there is no serving governor will want to come to us now because of the kind of intimidation that they are facing. We know what they are doing to them. And some of them who cannot jump to their party are saying they are endorsing their presidential candidate. Not possible. But what you are saying is a conspiracy against the Nigerian people. ADC welcomes everybody, but we are convinced that we are a movement that has the backing of the majority of Nigerians who are not happy with the direction this country is going.
Yes, one of the participants recently raised fear of the movement being hijacked because of individual interests.
No, ADC is not. You see, the process for the building of the party ensures that the party does not coalesce around any individual. And like I repeatedly emphasized, the ADC is not built for anybody's ambition. ADC is a party that is determined to give a different trajectory to Nigerian politics. We don't have any predetermined agenda. We don't have any favorite aspirant or candidate. We are not having any conversation at the moment. Nobody has ever had any conversation about who will be the party flag bearer. We believe that it's too early in the day. Our focus now is to build a political party that is strong enough, to deliver on the mission that we have set for ourselves.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.